Wales is a great city break, particularly for those that live in London like myself. It hosts striking rugged landscapes like the SNOWDONIA National Park and various other national treasures. We stayed in Llandudno, a peaceful coastal town in northern Wales. It's about a 5-hour drive from London, so make sure you have your favourite snacks and a varied playlist to get you there. Our first stop was Ogwen Valley, a stunning part of Snowdonia National Park in North Wales. It's a wide glacial valley surrounded by soaring mountains and features placid lakes, as well as historic towns and industrial heritage. There are various different hiking routes that you can take, and there's plenty of information when you get there about which to choose to accommodate different levels of fitness. The next day we headed to Condy Castle. It's a fortress which is famous for how exceptionally well preserved it is. It contains the most intact set of medieval royal apartments in Wales. It's definitely a good stopover for anyone who's interested in history or thereabouts. This is a world-famous garden home to national collections and champion trees, which is cared for by the National Trust. It's very easy to spend half a day here, walking around, enjoying the scenery and wildlife. It's difficult to do it justice with a camera, but hopefully this will give you a taste. following day, we climbed the Great Orme and went to explore the Great Orme mines. The mines boast over 5 miles of explored tunnels and passageways, and it was awarded the title of the largest prehistoric copper mine in the world. On our final day before heading back, we went to Abba Falls. This was a nice gentle hike and was the perfect finish to our journey.